Hey, Federal Express. Hey, y'all better hope my merchandise is in this box. Or y'all gonna have to see me. Man, oh man. It took a good minute to get this package. And then when I finally get it, it looked like somebody tried to beat me to the unboxing. So, let me go ahead and open this up because this is going to be a surprise to all of us. Not going to lie. I'm rocking with the packaging, BSTN. You know what I'm saying? I can read that at your leisure, you feel me? Whew. Feed fam, fuck fame. I like it. Sorry, YouTube. Oh. Okay, I don't know. I kind of like what y'all doing over there, man. Can you read that? Ah, there you go. Not going to read that on camera, but you know. Alright, man. So, first off, this better be 2 shoes in here. Gotta get that out of the way. But yeah, you can see $4.50. And the reason that I purchased from this site is you can see that 12.5 is a super rare size. And in this particular shoe, I think the 12.5 is probably my best bet. You know, 12 is cool, don't get me wrong. I tried 12 on the store, it worked. 13 would have been way too big. But anytime I get a chance to cop a 12.5, like a guaranteed 12.5, no raffle, then I'm going to 12.5 all day. It smells like a Tootsie Roll for some reason. That's kind of weird. Shoes come and smell like Tootsie Rolls now, I guess. Oh, whatever. Shout out to Kanye. But boom, the 450s and that utility black colorway. Almost dropped it. I'm not sure why people don't really rock with this model. You know, people say, oh, these are ugly, but there are a lot of ugly shoes that sell out every time they drop. And this, I don't know, I guess it's an acquired taste, but with Yeezy, I mean, you're gonna get something crazy. Like foam runners, people could call those ugly. Man, as you can see, you can't get one for retail no more. So nothing too crazy about this one, you know, one piece prime knit upper. And then you get that foam sole or outsole, looks like a dumpling, whatever you want to call it. I'm glad that I didn't cop the slate. I want to say it's dark slate, because it had like a brown hint up here, and it wasn't all black. Even though these kind of look crazy. I don't know. Some pictures and some lighting, it looks black. Some it looks gray. I know the foam part for sure is black, but the upper is, I don't know, it might be like a charcoal or something. But yeah, I'm glad I was able to cop these joints. Like, it took a little minute though. I guess it was coming from Germany, which if I would have known that, I probably would have waited to cop stateside, because I didn't think these were going to sit like they did. But like I said, 12.5 was the game changer for me, because usually with raffles, it'd be a 12 or a 13. So if you know what I'm saying, if you're in that size range, you know what I'm talking about. So to see a 12.5 available for purchase, I was like, let me go ahead and copy these. I haven't tried them on, but you know, I know how the 12 fit, and you know, I get an extra bit of toe room with this half size up, so I know this is probably gonna be perfect. I'm not sure if I will ever get this lucky again as far as getting a 12.5 for retail, you know. They pop up on the aftermarket all day, but trying to win them in raffles or actually seeing them available to purchase is very rare. So glad I got these, man. Hey, did y'all try your luck for Yeezy Day? Were you able to cop anything? Let me know down in the comments if you were able to cop anything for Yeezy Day. Unless you were one of the chosen few that got the turtle doves. And in that case, I hope you wear them one time and then the pink starts shipping on the midsole. Catch y'all on the next one.